What's going on? So today we got a video from Bodycam Pro, and the title of the video is how McNapping in the drive-thru gets you 3 years in prison. Wow, McNapping. Okay. All right, let's get into it. Let's see what they talking about here, man.
Hello. Okay.
Unresponsive. I was trying to yell at him, wake him up, everything.
Okay.
He's out.
All right.
Huh?
It's got a gun next to it.
Oh, fantastic.
Don't do nothing stupid. Relax. You okay? What'd you take, man? 4.
4.
Yeah, have the med unit. Oh, never mind, they're here.
Hey, buddy.
My man, what's your name? You all right? You're passed out in a McDonald's parking lot. So, you got the keys already?
I got them. Yep.
All right.
What?
You don't got no more weapons on you, do you? Okay. You got an ID on you? Anything like that? What's your name? What's that? What's your name, man? It's what? Do you got an ID with you? What's your first name? George. What's your last name?
I don't want to be wrong,
What's that?
I don't want to be wrong like that,
Oh, nah, you got to think about your last name. You might as well be honest, man, because if you're giving a fake name, that's just, you just tackling on more problems. You already going up the road for the gun. You already going up the road. You lucky you ain't in New York, because that's a 5. You lucky you only getting 3 based on the title. That's a 5-piece in New York.
What's Were you drinking at all, or did you take something? Because you've been passed out here for a while. Okay.
All right, well, we're going to have you get out so EMS can check you out, all right?
Yeah, these guys, they're just going to check you out. I got your shoes over here. They fell off.
I got your keys over here, so.
You don't got any more pistols on you or nothing, do you, man? These guys are the ambulance right back here. They're gonna check you out, just make sure you're all right. Hey, Sapper, the gun's on the hood of the car over there.
Okay, medical problems or anything? No. Anything you feel like you need to go to the hospital for? Or?
Just real quick, you don't have no more guns on you, do you? Are these just your phones? That's all I'm worried about, man, is guns.
What's your first name?
There's nobody in the car with me.
You're by yourself.
Somebody was with me.
You had somebody with you?
Yes.
Who was it?
Daily out. I don't know.
You said no drugs or alcohol?
You just been up all night or something? Or?
Yeah, I was in the car with somebody. My house is right on Buren. I was supposed to be home. But somebody left me in that car.
Okay.
Probably good for us. I'll call.
Just called down to the AGMC or something?
Yeah.
but they're not going to make no complaints. And
you don't have like any kind of epilepsy or anything like that where you pass
I was
out?
in a car with somebody. There was somebody in a car with me. I don't know how. No, I don't have none of that.
So the other person that was in the car is just one other person?
Yeah, I don't want to get up and get in each other. That was it.
Okay.
I have no, that's it. Just 18 beer.
where were you guys coming from?
The north side, like Aberdeen area. How long was I there?
We've been waiting for an hour.
Yeah, they said it'd been some time. So
13.
I'll just have you stand up. Just be cool with me, man. I'll be turn that way real quick. Just relax. I'm just gonna place you in the house, alright? Something, nothing stupid. Until we get this figured out a little bit more. Yeah. Actually, there. It's pretty loose. I'll double block it so it can turn on.
Can I make a phone call for you leave to let my girl know?
Yeah, we'll get your phone and all that. I gotta make sure you're a qualified adult right now. Because if you got any kind of felonies that could exclude you from being able to own a gun.
I have nothing to do with none of that.
Okay. Actually, I'll have you have a seat in the back of mine. I know. Yeah, it was on the center console right next to you. But I know you already said you don't got nothing else on you. I just gotta double check you before you get back in my car. So you just hold on 1 second. You just got cash in here.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay.
I need my phone.
Oh, we'll get it. Yeah, man. All right, buddy. Go ahead. Have a seat.
I'm sorry.
You're alright.
All right, man. You're being cool with us. We'll be cool with you back.
Yes, sir.
Was there anybody else in the truck with them? Do you know?
No. So I didn't see him on the cameras until one of our crew in the back booth pointed it out. Like, hey, this guy's been blocking lane 2 for like 10 minutes.
Yeah.
So he came out at 6:20.
Yeah.
And I tried to wake him up and everything. There wasn't anybody in the truck then, and I've been out here the entire time. So.
Okay. All right. Well,
There might have been in that 10-minute span before we came out here to see what was going on.
Okay. All right. We'll get this thing out of your way as soon as we can. We'll call for a tow.
Man, the main thing is like I just didn't want anybody like getting hurt or him to, because he wasn't waking up or anything. They gave him a couple taps. My other manager tapped him on the shoulder a couple times.
Yeah, there's a gun sitting right next to him too. I'm like, ooh, shit. So, yeah, I'm just glad he didn't like freak out waking up or something. You know?
I know. That's like I was scared about. So I told Zaya to go back inside, and I just kind of hung out here and make sure everybody was safe.
Right.
I didn't even know that that was on the passenger seat. I just kind of had like, gut feel.
Yeah. All right. I appreciate it. Yeah. If we need to, if I got to reach back out, we'll call about like if you guys got camera footage or something like
Awesome.
that. So.
All right, thank you guys so much.
Yeah. Thank you. Digital scale there. Wonder if the other gun's stashed in there somewhere. What's that? Oh.
Weren't they? I thought I saw something in your notes.
One of the guns had a red dot on it.
Oh, that was.
This is like, oh yeah, these are like sights.
Yeah, over here.
Oh, okay.
So my guess is that.
I saw a picture of the other gun. It looked goofy. It was like a big 6 hour and it had a huge red dot on the top.
Well,
Whose truck is that? Who's the truck come back to on that?
the owner is Felipe, but there is. De Leon, but then George got a ticket.
Hello. Who are you?
His girlfriend.
Okay. What's his name? I didn't even really get it.
What happened?
Why? Who is he?
What happened with him?
Who is he?
What happened with him then? That's what I'm asking.
Well, I'd like to know who he is before. I mean, you're a girlfriend to him. I don't.
Yeah. Yeah, because he don't feel confident that he gave him the right name. So you want to come up here acting like you know something, whatever. What's going on with him? You want to come up here demanding stuff. Wait, hold on, baby. Who is that? Yeah, start answering some questions, boy. Okay, I like how this cop play it. Okay, he cool.
I don't really have to tell you what's going on with them.
Did something happen?
Well, he was passed out in the truck for a long, long
He has
time.
a stolen gun with him. He's passed out in the truck.
He had a gun?
Yeah.
Gio.
Gio?
Yeah, but... Sorry, y'all. I just woke up. I just went from home.
All right. Does he live over here? Because we're trying to figure out like where he's coming from. Like,
Yeah,
what
he
the,
live right there. I live on the street over there.
what's the address over there? What's Gio's last name?
I don't know.
I mean, he's gonna go to county, so they're gonna
I don't know
identify
his
him.
last name. I really don't.
How long have you been with him?
Well, he'd been with my real boyfriend, but we just started talking. But he was on his way to my house.
At what time?
Like 5 o'clock. But he just called me like 20 minutes ago. But he was just asleep right here.
Yeah, he couldn't have called you 20 minutes ago because
He did.
they called us an hour and a half ago saying he was passed out.
Like,
We had to wake him up,
and he had a gun.
sitting right next to him.
Oh my God. But did he get an ambulance?
Yeah, we had them check him out.
Did y'all check him out? What was wrong with him?
I don't know what the paramedics found.
This is the way I can take his car.
No,
I got
it's not
license.
even registered to him.
It's registered my cousin.
Then your cousin has to come pick it up.
Right here?
Yeah,
Like,
it's being
he can't-
towed.
Like he can't pick it up from right here though?
No, we cannot leave it here.
Oh,
Only the registered owner can get it.
okay.
Can she take my truck? Can she please have it?
You're not the registered owner, so we have by policy we gotta send it to the impound.
It's my cousin's.
I know he'll have to come
I
get
could
it.
call him. Can I call him?
Real quick, let me just read you some Miranda rights. You have the right to remain silent. You can what he's mentioned in the law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer, have a question. If you can't afford to hire a lawyer, you won't get paid representing for questions you wish. You decide anytime to exercise these rights, not answering questions and making statements. You have to rights of a lawyer. Having these rights in mind, is it okay if I speak with you?
Yeah, I want my lawyer, but I can't talk to her, please.
Well, if you want your lawyer, then I can't speak with you. Yeah, it's not a free conversation.
I understand. I don't want my lawyer. I just please can I speak to my girl, please?
Yeah, you could talk to her, but I mean, we're gonna have to tow the truck.
Why can't she?
So-
she can't get the licensed driver up here to come get it, please.
It has to be the registered
It
owner.
has to be the registered
That's
owner.
him. That's him. Can she call him?
But
Can she go get
being we have a gun case now, it's all tied together, the truck and the gun, so it has to go
It's
to
not
impound.
mine. That has nothing to do
I
with
know.
it.
I'm having them check the cameras, so that way, if there was somebody else in the truck, the cameras would show. You know what I mean?
Right.
So
And do you know the person that you were with that?
Yeah.
What is the number to his prison car?
It's in my phone. In the car.
There was no other phone in the car.
It was. It had to be.
why are you slipping your cuffs to the front, man?
I'm not. I'm having an anxiety attack.
2 hours.
Do you have something tucked or something you're trying to get to?
Well, I was just having an anxiety attack. I couldn't breathe.
Well, you could have said something to me, man. I would have helped you out.
I'm sorry. I'm a little bit under.
You don't have another gun like stashed on your head
No,
or something
hell no.
crazy.
No, sir.
All right,
I'm literally just having an anxiety attack. I'm sorry about that.
hold on a minute. You don't got if you got something stashed, I don't care.
I don't have none
I don't care
stashed.
about dope. I'm telling you
I
right.
don't have no dope or
For
nothing.
real.
I would have told you. I don't have nothing. I'm just having that anxiety attack right now, and the cuffs bent to the back was just bothering me. I'm sorry.
I could have fixed it for you.
I'm sorry. Can you still fix it, man?
Yeah, give me.
Here, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Here, let me do this. I'll have you. What I'll do is I'll take this one off here. I'll have you turn that way, and I'll have to put the cuffs back on, but I'll fix
have
them
to
for
turn
you.
around. Oh, God. I'm sorry.
It's all right. Bring up the candy.
I'm sorry, man. I'm just having reality is setting in, man. I don't
cool, man.
I know, I'm sorry, man.
Listen.
It's too late. I already know, man. I didn't have, somebody was in the car with me, man.
I know,
I
I
don't even know how
understand,
long
right?
I was here for. That's not my gun, man.
Turn that way.
I'm sorry, sir.
Listen, unfortunately, I can't hold court in the street with you, man. It is what it is, you know?
Yeah.
Just be cool.
I know, sir. My phone right here.
Which phone?
Right here. That's what it was. Wait, that's...
Do you want
okay,
this?
That's cool. This one, this one.
It's just the way it's moving on your wrist because I can put my finger in there. You're all right. Do you want me to, if you're trying to call somebody, you could call. I could want me to swipe it for you?
I got it. I can do that. I'm sorry.
Right.
That was just...
All right, just be cool.
Hey, officer.
What's up, man?
What kind of stuff is this? They let them have a phone in the back. They could make calls, chilling. What? I ain't never seen. Oh, Akron must be different, boy. Akron is different, boy. They said, oh yeah, you can hold your phone. You know what? You need help making a phone call? Oh, nah, I got it. Oh yeah, hold it down. Oh, what? 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 I don't know, man. I can't knock them on the rating because I don't know. Maybe that's their policy. They let them have their phones. Maybe that's, but I haven't really seen that. You know, the only time I've seen people still have their phones in the back is when they sneaking it. You know, the officer failed to do a pat down or his pat down was so weak that he ain't feel it or whatever, and they still got it. You know what I'm saying? Now that's different. But this situation here, nah.
So far what I can see is like one felony conviction, but no, you got something for improper handling. That I could see, yeah. That pertains to this. What's that? You feel like you gotta puke? Oh, hold on.
He was charged with improper handling of a firearm in a motor vehicle and receiving stolen property. He was sentenced to a minimum of 3 years and a maximum of 4.5 years in prison.
Damn. Man. Boy, he lucky he in Ohio, boy. That's a 5-piece, boy. What? I mean, still, he technically got 5. He got 3 to 4.5, which I never even heard of that. It's really 3 to 5. That's what I've heard. Like, or 2 to 5, 3 to 5, 3 to 7, 4 to 7. You know what I'm saying? Stuff like that. I ain't never heard no 3 to 4.5. Yeah. Ohio, yeah, y'all boys different over there. But anyway, man, so I'm gonna get a cops, man. Yo, they was smooth. I'm gonna give them a 5. Nah, I can't give them a 5 because they let them keep that. They let them keep that phone in the back, bro. But you know what? That may be their policy, so I can't knock it. I don't know. You feel me? So I'm gonna give them a 5. I'm gonna give them a 5. They was cool. Nobody really yelled, hostile, whatever. Yeah, it was cool. Y'all let me know y'all ratings in the comment section, man. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.